car and it's burning up inside. Sweat dripping down while I take it for a ride. My compressor's dying, no friend in the tank. Air feels like fire, it's a driving rolling bank. So I pop the hood and I do a quick scan. Gotta get this fixed by the best in the land. Take it to PFE car Aircon parts and supplies. We've got the fix, we'll be opening your eyes. We service the system from the front to the back. Got every component to put the chill on track. Yeah, we got the tools, yeah, we got the gears. The coolest auto shop to conquer all your fears. The compressor starts pumping the heart of the cool. Don't let the heat make you look like a fool. The condenser is blowing the hot air away while the evaporator makes a breezy display. We check the expansion valve, letting the pressure drop, and replace the filter dryer till the leaks go pop. Push out the line so the refrigerant flows through the flexible hoses from your head to your toes. To blow a motor spinning, the air starts to pour through the cabin filter. You couldn't ask for more. But wait, there's an issue with the temp on my trip. Uh-oh, my radiator is missing, I better make a flip.